I hope you all are doing great. It is early in the morning. It's around 6 o'clock a.m. and we are headed to Montreat College to get my nephew Sam here all settled into his dorm. And then next week we'll be going to Carson Newman to get my nephew Caleb settled into his college. And so I haven't had my coffee. They're looking a little scared because they don't want me to bling out their dorm rooms, but we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna take you on the journey. I hope you will enjoy this. So I'm gonna get my coffee. They're gonna start loading and we will see you shortly. Okay friends, so this year it is going to be a lot different than our previous dorm room makeovers because this is the first year that I'm actually doing male rooms. So this is for a guy, and there is a big difference. You know, initially they, like I said earlier, they were afraid I was going to get in there and wallpaper bling down the place. They want very minimal. They're more worried about how many things they're going to have to pack up and carry, and would be totally happy with the blanket. And I think that's a lot of with males probably what how they feel. So it's all about making them happy because this is their space, and I was so happy to be able to team up with my friends at OCM because all of the things that we needed for the dorm room they sent, and it is a one-stop shop place for all your dorm room necessities. And the wonderful thing about them is that you can simply go there, buy one bundle, and have what you need for college. And so they really have great pricing, they really have great products. And so you all know over the years I've been teaming up with them, and so I'm so happy to be doing that again. And this year for Sam's dorm room, we're actually going with their navy and taupe and white color theme, and it's really beautiful. It's very masculine, and I think he will really love it. And so I'm so excited to share it with you. You all know I typically do my bins. I have the 6 bins, and this year we're going to use the chest from OCM. They don't want a lot of things. There was not a lot of decor needed. They were more, they were like, you know, just give me a blanket and a pillow. I think I'm going to be good, kind of thing. So it is really a twist, a different dorm room install than previous years, because the previous years have always been ladies, and they've always loved, you know, the wallpaper and tons of pillows and things like that. So this year is really about being minimalistic, and this is actually, instead of the bins to transport the items, we have the chest here. And one of the things that I love is that we're going to fit everything, just about everything, not everything, but just about everything in this chest to take to school. And the chest also has wheels that you can get to put on it to help make transporting it simple.
And then I got marker on my down.
Oh, what? So here is Miss Savannah. You all know Savannah, and she will be helping me today with the dorm room makeover. We're going to school. Tell everybody, hey, Savannah. They remember you when you were a little baby. They remember you when you were in your mommy's stomach. And now look at you. Show them how tall you are now. Can you guys believe this is Savannah, the little baby Savannah? Look how tall she is. They remember you. So, Mom, are you excited about getting the first one out?
I am.
It
takes a couple days.
But yeah, but you know it's time for them to move on. So you just yeah.
No, I'm ready.
Yeah.
But of course I'm just on.
Yeah.
But it takes a minute. You know, I get excited first,
and then
it hits.
It hits. Yeah.
It'll be so much quieter.
So we're gonna get rolling, and then of course we're the beautiful Becky, and you all know Becky. She's the one that if you call the office, you're always talking to.
I like your camera.
You like my camera? I like your shirt and your hair. You look so cute. I wish I looked that cute when I woke up in the morning. You're just so cute, so pretty.
I'm gonna have your hat.
You'd want it? Well, guess what I have for you?
What?
I got a surprise. You want to see what it is? Come on.
You don't want on Nikki?
Huh?
What is?
I was in the store last night, and I found that little sticker book, and it's a Fashion Diva sticker book.
They're
And so I figured in the car, you know, while we're driving up there, you may want to. I don't know. It's like you have the blank faces. And you can take her eyes and all of that. And then you put it on the lady's face.
She doesn't have any eyes. She doesn't have any eyes.
Yeah, so you take those eyes and you put them on her. And you make different faces. How cute is that? Do you like that? All right, so are you ready to get on this road, Savannah? I'm ready to get on the road. Are you?
I love the scum. Mommy said it was disgusting, and I said it was yummy.
It was yummy. It is. Okay, so let's roll. Okay, so we're going to take 2 cars. I'm going to take my car, and then my brother's going to take his truck, and they're loading up. Oh, June, you didn't get on camera yet. So, friends, this is my brother, Howard. He's working hard and early this morning getting all of Sam's things. And then we're going to fit the actual OCM dorm room stuff into the back of my car. Because it's just minimalistic this year. We're waiting for Sam to get all signed in, so Savannah's pulling inventory on my handbag, and she's kind of just making sure I have everything organized properly. Does everything look good in the bag, Savannah?
Yeah, I'm just checking them out.
Can you organize it for me?
I don't think there's enough space to organize.
It's not enough space to organize it? It's jam-packed? So let's see, what all do we have in there? Show them what we have in here. What's all in there? Okay, that's perfume. What else?
Wait, this one perfume?
Mm-hmm, that's perfume.
Wait, this all is?
Give me a little bit. Oh, thank you. Mm-hmm. So basically, all this is just an inexpensive frame, and all I did was take the actual, you know, it has the insert. I just flipped the insert around so that I had a white background, and this just gives him a dry erase board for basically to reminders. Test tomorrow.
Functionality for you if you want.
You know, he can write little notes or whatever he can. I didn't bling out anything. I didn't overdo it. Caleb, are you now feel okay with me doing your room next week? You don't feel like I'm coming and ruin your life?
No.
Okay, all right. So we kept it simple, but he has what he needs. He feels like, I feel like it's not overdone, but it's enough to make him feel like he's home away from home. Do you feel comfortable?
Yes.
You do? Well, we are so proud of you. We are going to miss you, but we know you're only an hour and a half away, so you're probably going to be dipping in all the time. But you come here and you rock it, and you're going to do great things.